Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Identify the convention used in each structure. In all three structures, the dashed wedge bonds point behind the plane, away from viewer, and the bold wedge bonds point in front of the plane, toward viewer, while the standard dashed lines represent bonds going away from the viewer in a fissure-like horizontal-vertical sense. More precisely, vertical bonds, up-down with dashed lines, go into the page, horizontal bonds, bold wedges, come out of the page. Moving on to the next step. Assign the four substituents and their spatial positions for structure 1. Into page, up CH2CH3. Into page, down CH3. Toward viewer, left Br, toward viewer, right Cl. Moving on to the next step. Into page, up CH3. Into page, down Br, toward viewer, left CH3CH2 is equal to CH2CH3. Toward viewer, right Cl. And for the final step. Into page, up CH2CH3. Into page, down Cl, toward viewer, left H3C is equal to CH3. Toward viewer, right Br. Determine RS configuration or check if structures are identical by rotating. For structure 1, the four groups are CH2CH3, back up, CH3, back down, Br, front left, Cl, front right. For structure 3, the four groups are CH2CH3, back up, Cl, back down, CH3, front left, Br, front right. Check if structure 3 is a rotation of structure 1. In structure 1, Br is front left, Cl is front right, CH2CH3 is back up, CH3 is back down. In structure 3, CH3 is front left, Br is front right, CH2CH3 is back up, Cl is back down. Rotate structure 1 by 180 degrees around the vertical axis, the CH2CH3, CH3 axis. Br, front left, moves to front right, Cl, front right, moves to front left, CH2CH3 stays back up, CH3 stays back down. This gives CH2CH3 back up, CH3 back down, Cl front left, Br front right, which matches structure 3 exactly. A 180 degrees rotation about the vertical axis is a valid physical rotation, same molecule, so structures 1 and 3 represent the same compound. Check structure 2 versus structure 1. Structure 2 has CH3 back up and Br back down, whereas structure 1 has CH2CH3 back up and CH3 back down. These are different spatial arrangements and represent a different stereoisomer or the same connectivity but different configuration, so structure 2 does not depict the same compound as structure 1. Structures 1 and 3 depict the same compound, structure 2 is different. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.